Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. I am going through the MT4 platform, some of the indicators that we use for Forex trading, day trading in particular. I'm going to go through combining the auto harmonic pattern for a general signal that says, we want to go short, and then using the xBrat for definitive signals, and then the EMA Cloud to manage that trade. And this is New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It's on the 15-minute time frame, standard time frame for trading Forex, and this is towards the end of February. First of all, we do have a, if we just look left a little bit, we've got this bat pattern in green that did not complete in the completion zone. So that was a failure. I mean, it's not a failure of the software. It's actually, it didn't complete in the completion zone. But then we get this red crab pattern. So it's colored in red. So you're looking for a resulting bearish trade. The two pink hashed lines here is our automated completion zone. If that harmonic pattern completes in this completion zone, it's a high probability that the resulting trade is going to happen. We can trade just off that, and we'd probably use the EMA Cloud to go short anyway. But in reality, what I like to do is I use that harmonic pattern to say, yes, a very complex set of fib retracements, extensions, overlaps has happened. We've had an ABCD, the crab pattern has formed, and now we're looking for a short. So just looking for a short is not good enough. We use our xBratAlgo. Here we can see a 5-star sell signal on this candle which closes below the EMA Cloud. So our entry is around about 074285 here. This is then backed up by a 6-star sell here. Once the price goes through the original entry price, we then use the EMA Cloud, and this is set to 55, the EMA Cloud, to manage the trade. You see how it comes up and tests here, and then continues to move down until finally we close just above the cloud here, around about 72785. So that's a really big pip move. If we just zoom out a little bit there and move it across, you can see there's that original crab pattern completing in that completion zone up here, the D wave. We then get the confirmation, if you like, a proper signal with the xBratAlgo here on the 5-star sell, and then the 6-star sell backs us up. And then we use the EMA Cloud to manage the trade. If we get a close above, we close out. Eventually we do get a close above and we close out the trade. But this is a fantastic trade and a really simple way of combining three indicators. One that gives you a direction of a trade, the next actually gives you a signal in that direction, and then the next, the EMA Cloud, gives you a chance to manage that trade sensibly. You can change the EMA Cloud settings. This is set on 55 at the moment. I think it's a good setting on Forex for 15-minute. You can put it at 34, which is another good setting for, like, say, 5-minute or even 21, that sort of thing. So there are really, you can adjust those depending on the time frame that you're going to manage the trade. But again, I just wanted to show you the power of combining indicators to give you some really good high probability trades. Now, not necessarily you get too many harmonic patterns in a trading day or a week, but the xBratAlgo continues to give you those signals. So combining them for those high probability moves, even if you get those 2-3 times a week, they are really big moves. Automated harmonic patterns, it tells you exactly what type of pattern it is. It colors it in red because the resulting trade's got to be short, and we have an automated completion zone, which is a combination of fib retracements, extensions and overlaps. So we're basically saying, or the software is saying, if that D pivot completes in that zone, there's a high probability the resulting trade is going to happen. We just use then the xBrat to give us that signal. So that's the backup, if you like, and then we use the EMA Cloud to trade it. So Forex trading, day trading, for Forex becomes very, very simple because you've got a simple set of rules. So hopefully that helps, and I'll speak to you all really soon.